The persimmon has a rich history that spans continents and centuries. It originated in China over 2,000 years ago, where it was cherished as a symbol of wisdom and longevity. From there, it spread to Japan, becoming a beloved part of the culture featured in art, poetry, and even tea ceremonies. The persimmon also has deep roots in the rural south of the United States. Native to this region, the American persimmon was a vital food source for indigenous peoples and early settlers. Folk traditions even celebrated this fruit in a song. Growing up in the South, I remember singing, "Shake those Simmons down." Anyway, it's a playful reminder of how persimmons were harvested by shaking the trees to gather the ripe fruit. These traditions connect us to the land, and they remind us of the simple joys found in nature. One persimmon weighing 168 grams, that's one medium persimmon, has 118 calories, 31 grams carbs, 6 grams fiber, zero point 0.8 grams protein, and zero point 0.3 grams fat. It has vitamins A, C, E, K, and minerals, potassium, manganese, copper, and magnesium. The persimmon is also full of antioxidants. All of these nutrients work together to benefit us. The high fiber content in persimmons aids digestion, and it helps us to feel fuller for longer, which supports overall health. This, along with their powerful antioxidants, helps protect the body from oxidative stress. The vitamins A and C boost the immune system and promote healthy skin. Plus, the potassium helps regulate blood pressure. And the manganese and the copper support strong bones and connective tissue. And here's something else. The natural sugars in persimmons can actually give a mood boost, helping to increase serotonin levels, which probably will make you feel happier and more energized. Persimmons are in season from late fall through winter. When selecting persimmons, look for smooth, bright skin without bruises. Store unripe persimmons at room temperature and refrigerate ripe ones for up to a week. Extras can be frozen for later to use in smoothies or desserts. There are two main types of persimmons, the fuyu and the hachia. Fuyus should feel slightly soft, and hachias like a water balloon when they're ready to eat. Fuyus are crisp and sweet with hints of cinnamon. Hachias, when ripe, are like natural pudding. They're perfect as a monomeal or paired with other sweet fruits or even tender greens like spinach. The best way to enjoy persimmons is to eat them raw, skin and all. Raw persimmons retain their full nutrient profile, so you can get the most vitamins and minerals and antioxidants when they're fresh. Plus, the cleanup is super easy. No peeling or preparation required. Just wash and eat. For a meal, you can enjoy anywhere from 3 to 6 persimmons, depending on how hungry you are. They make a quick, satisfying, and nutritious option for any time of the day. Persimmons. They connect us to history, to nature, to one another. From the orchards of China to the folk songs of the South, they remind us of life's simple beauty. Do you want more fruit-filled living? Join the Fruitiful Soul Society for new recipes, wellness tips, and a supportive community. Plus, get a fresh persimmon recipe for this month's fruit. click the link in the description to join. And remember, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.